To replace the thermal paper roll, remove the printer cover. Lift the platen arm and remove the old roll. Place the new paper roll into the printer, ensuring the paper is facing you and feeding from the front of the roll. Close the roll cover firmly until you hear a click, and replace the printer cover. Note that if you wish to use journal printing, you should open the printer cover and loop the paper through the centre of the journal take-up spool. If you require extra length to achieve this, hold the feed button until you have sufficient paper. Ensure the ridge side of the journal take-up spool is facing inwards towards the SES100 and replace the printer cover. Thanks for watching.